What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the nightlife of Turkey Rod run from the cops.
Turkey Rod cop run.
So it wasn't very eventful. Every time we'd show up to a spot, they kick us out, or cops are already just there waiting. So we're at the track today for the no prep event. We got Tyler here.
What's going on, guys?
So we're gonna go ahead and win the event today. No questions asked. We're gonna take
Both of them, bro.
Both the prep side and the shutdown side. So today they're doing from the daytime on the other side of the track, no prep, and then we're going to at nighttime over the sticky side for the no prep. I don't know why, but it is what it is.
It's gonna be a long day.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. It's 9:26. We've been waiting in line for probably a solid hour.
At least
a solid hour. We probably made no progress.
We made it about 15 feet.
So, well, we're gonna get in here, get all checked in, tacked in, unload the car, and we're gonna do some racing. I think the meeting is supposed to be at 9:30, or right?
9:40.
The driver's meeting? 9:40?
9:26.
And it's 9:26 right now, so I don't see that happening in front of us, if you can see. It's just a huge line. We're not even close at all, so. Well, now we just wait.
This sounded real good on the mic.
Huh?
That sounded real good on the mic, bro.
Yeah, I hit the roof. It was probably, sorry guys. But yeah, so waiting in line, bored, waiting in the line. So should be a fun day. We got a high of what, I think 65 degrees today.
Yeah, it should be nice all day.
Yeah, because it's right now it's
good old boost weather.
It's pretty crisp right now. Yeah, I don't trust the gauge up there. It says it's 77. There ain't no way it's 77 right now. It's a little frigid. But
yeah, it's only it's about 56 degrees out right now.
Perfect. That's boost weather. We're good. But I'll catch y'all in a second here. We're gonna unload the car, and yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Oh, she got the big slicks on already. Need to fill her up. This thing takes premium fuel, right?
Yep. Premium E85 only.
Yeah. Dude, I see your problem here. I can see the ground.
No problem there.
So what chip did you pull, bro?
I don't know. Number 31.
You racing a slow car?
I don't know. We'll see what happens. They got it all screwed up, the orders, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. They made us pull chips twice and then took the chips back, so I don't really know what's going on.
Weird.
So
let's take our race car to the lanes, bro.
yeah, something like that.
What's it feel like to be beat by a Cavalier? Breast milk.
Like poop. Like doo-doo.
Well, at least you went rounds, bro, so that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Car's doing work, man. So, Nick, did you get a tech card?
Oh, yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You gonna run the EM1?
No, he's scared.
No.
He's scared.
He's in the race class, right?
He's scared.
I can feel it.
Dude, they have a street class. If you break it, I'll drive the daily home, and you can put this up there. You're good.
Yeah. I'm trying to deal with all that.
Probably not.
You could probably almost put them both sideways on here and be like
All right, so we're going to be on the other side of the track now, on the prep side, so we'll see how the car's going to do. It was leaving on like 13 pounds over there. It wasn't working very well, but I think it's definitely going to help out over on the sticky side. So unfortunately, after a couple hours, we had to wait at the track. A car oiled down the whole track, so they canceled the whole event because they said that it was going to take like 2 to 3 hours to clean up. So they ended up canceling the rest of the event. So unfortunately, I didn't get to film the rest of what was going on. This video was kind of short, but Tyler did pretty well. Car did pretty well. We're going to be ready for next time. And yeah, so unfortunately I didn't get to film an outro either, so seems like a trend. But appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys.